Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating a safe workspace. Make a virtualenv and activate it so dependencies stay local. Install Flask or Django. Pick Flask when you want minimalism, Django when you want built-in auth and admin. Once done, initialize Git and scaffold folders like app/, template/, static/. Make sure to add a requirements. TXT and a simple hello route so you can test quickly. This early momentum ensures you learn by building rather than reading endlessly. You now implement the app core, define routes and controllers, then connect templates for UI. This separation keeps code maintainable. Integrate an ORM, SQL Alchemy for Flask or Django ORM to map models to a database and run migrations so schema changes are safe. Next, add forms with validation and a simple authentication flow to protect routes. Also write unit tests for critical logic. Running tests after changes prevents regressions. These steps make you finalize by preparing production. Containerize with Docker or push to a PAS, set environment variables securely, and configure a WSGI server like Unicorn behind Nginx for performance. Make sure to enable HTTPS and static file handling. Once deployed, monitor logs and metrics and add health checks so you spot issues early. If things go wrong, check logs for tracebacks first. Often a missing env var or database migration is the culprit, then roll back while you patch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.